Hello everyone. In the last lecture, I discussed about some of the concepts related to the ceramic. Now, in this lecture, we will, in last lecture we discussed F1, F2, F6, but in this lecture, we will see if a ceramic, in case it is F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6. In the previous lecture, we observed that it is F1. Now, this ceramic, okay, now what is this? Ceramic is present, that's why it is F1. Now, in order to understand better, what we need to know is if that ceramic which is present inside the bones, is it symmetric or non-symmetric? Let's see what is symmetric. Let's understand what does it mean, symmetric and non-symmetric. Okay, now there may be the case when ceramic is present in the huge ratio. Such scenario it is called as the symmetric, and in other case it is non-symmetric. I'll give you one example. Suppose that this is my bone. Suppose any bone. Let me take it as A. Let me take another kind of bone which is B. Now that is nothing but my ceramic. Now in order to state if the ceramic is present, we have so many situations that what we discussed in the past 3 to 4 lectures. Okay, now if it is symmetric or not, what does this symmetric means? Symmetric means that most of the ceramic is focused at one point. Non-symmetric means it is present in proportional. It is present in proportional. It means ceramic is present uniformly here. Sorry, ceramic is present non-uniformly here, whereas in this case it is present uniformly. It is present uniformly. It is present equally in all the parts of the bones, whereas it is present it is non-uniform, and it is more oriented in a one part. Now if I give you a number F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6. Now for in case if I have F1, now what is the situation? Is it symmetric or non-symmetric? Rule is very simple. For values odd values, it is always non-symmetric. Okay, and for even values it is always symmetric. Okay, so this one and this one all fall under symmetric category. All fall under symmetric category. I hope it was very this concept is very easy, and one need not to worry about if it is symmetric or not. But what people should be worried or concerned if ceramic has super die property or not. What is super die property? Let me write here super die property. Let's understand if the ceramic has super die property or not. How do we find out if it has super die property? And even if we find out what is like if the super die property is present or not, how do we know? First of all, the very important question is what is super die property? In case ceramic is present in a uniform way or in a non-uniform way, is there any mechanism which is happening? Is that mechanism has now started in order to give some relief? More the value of super die property, more is the chances that fracture fluctuations will occur. So those probability will decrease. So obviously super it is super die property. Super die property is a mathematical tool which gives the probability value, which give probability value. I hope ये आपको clear होगा. Okay, I'm sorry, I hope it is clear to you. Now in order to understand the mathematical tool which gives the probability values. Let's see. Okay, suppose that probability of super die property is 1 by 2. It means that 50% chances are there that person will be recovered from ceramic issues, and 50% of chances are there the person uh, will not be able to recover from ceramic. Well, we are interested in GATE exam. We don't have a reasoning for super die property, so we will not go into detail. But as a definition, you must remember this property. I hope this lecture was clear to you. In case you have any doubts, you may write in the comment section. I will try to answer all those. Thank you.